Google has finally locked in the date for one of the biggest smartphone launches of the year, and Pixel fans have every reason to be excited. The company's next Made by Google event is officially expected to take place on August 12th in New York City, where the entire Pixel 11 lineup will make its debut. But this event isn't just about new phones. It could also introduce a powerful new smartwatch, smarter AI features, and Google's biggest processor upgrade in years. The event is scheduled to begin at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 3 p.m. Pacific Time. Interestingly, this is slightly earlier than last year's Pixel launch event. While Google hasn't explained the reason behind the change, many believe it could be related to global supply chain challenges, especially ongoing memory chip shortages, or simply an effort to stay ahead of the intense competition in the smartphone market. The spotlight of the event will clearly be the new Pixel 11 family. Just like previous generations, Google is expected to launch multiple models to cover different price ranges and user needs. This year, the lineup is rumored to include the standard Pixel 11, the Pixel 11 Pro, the larger Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the premium Pixel 11 Pro Fold. Whether someone wants a compact flagship, a large-screen device, or a foldable phone, Google appears ready to offer an option for everyone. Among these, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to be the main attraction. It will likely feature Google's most advanced hardware, a larger display, improved cameras, and the best overall performance in the lineup. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold is also expected to grab attention as Google continues to improve its foldable smartphone experience and compete with other premium foldable devices on the market. Suggests that the standard Pixel models may receive slightly less RAM than originally planned because of memory supply issues. However, Google is expected to balance performance and pricing carefully so that users still receive a smooth experience without paying flagship-level prices. The goal seems to be offering premium features across the lineup while keeping the phones competitive. One of the biggest highlights of the Pixel 11 series is expected to be the brand new Tensor G6 processor. This is a major step forward because it is rumored to be Google's first smartphone chip built using a cutting-edge 2-nanometer manufacturing process by TSMC. Smaller manufacturing process usually brings several important improvements. The Tensor G6 is expected to deliver better performance while using less power. That means apps should open faster, multitasking should feel smoother, and games should run more efficiently. At the same time, users can also expect longer battery life since the processor is designed to consume less energy. Another major benefit is better heat management. Overheating has been one of the biggest concerns with previous Tensor chips. Thanks to the new manufacturing technology and gate-all-around transistor design, the Tensor G6 is expected to reduce power leakage and keep temperatures under control during heavy tasks. If these improvements deliver as expected, the Pixel 11 could become Google's fastest and most efficient smartphone yet. Artificial intelligence is once again expected to be a huge focus this year. Google has been investing heavily in AI, and the Pixel 11 series could take things even further. The upgraded Magic Q system is rumored to make the phones much smarter by learning user habits and offering personalized assistance throughout the day. Imagine a phone that understands daily routines, predicts the apps that are about to be opened, reminds users about upcoming appointments at the perfect moment, suggests the fastest travel routes before leaving home, and even helps manage tasks automatically. These AI improvements are expected to work quietly in the background, making everyday smartphone use faster, easier, and more natural. Another exciting feature rumored for the Pixel 11 lineup is something called Pixel Glow. This is expected to be a customizable LED notification system that adds both style and functionality to the phones. Instead of constantly turning on the display to check notifications, Pixel Glow could use different colors and lighting patterns for different contacts, apps, and alerts. Users might instantly know whether it's a message from family, a work email, or an important notification just by looking at the LED indicator. Pixel Glow may also display battery charging status, warn when audio recording is active, and highlight urgent notifications without unlocking the device. It's a simple idea, but one that could make the overall experience much more convenient while also giving users more personalization options. The event isn't only about smartphones. Google is also expected to unveil the Pixel Watch 5. Although official details remain limited, early reports suggest improvements in battery life, more accurate health and fitness tracking, and even tighter integration with Pixel phones. The smartwatch is expected to work seamlessly with the Pixel ecosystem, allowing users to manage notifications, fitness goals, calls, and smart features more efficiently. Together with the Pixel 11 lineup, Google seems focused on creating a connected ecosystem rather than just selling individual devices. With a powerful new Tensor G6 processor, smarter AI capabilities, the unique Pixel Glow notification system, 4 new smartphones, and the arrival of the Pixel Watch 5, this year's Made by Google event is shaping up to be one of Google's biggest product launches in recent years. Now all eyes are on August 12th to see whether Google can deliver on these exciting expectations and challenge the biggest names in the smartphone industry. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest smartphone leaks, launch updates, and tech news.